Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's use some hand fingers. So the first diagram, I'm using an hand fingers and drawing an umbrella tied to an hand, and then I'm drawing an eyes. By the time you would have come to guess, it's an octopus. So octopus also lives in water. So here I'm drawing an octopus with the opening tongue with the different faces emojis. So I'm giving a circles to each of the body of the octopus, and let me shade some pink color to the octopus faces and to the body with the circles, and darkly shade the faces. And here's a beautiful octopus. And let's move on. Again I'm using an hand, and then again I'm drawing a big U, and then I'm drawing an eyes and the nose. By the time you would have gotten guess, it's a snail. So here in our video we draw different cartoons or images in an easy way. So let me put some shades to the eyes with a blue color and line them with the blue color to the body, and then I'm lightly shading with the yellow color, the dark yellow marker, and shading them. Here's a beautiful snail, and the eyes has been shaded with green color. Then again I'm using an orange snail marker and shading it to the snail's body. So here's a beautiful snail shaded color. So let's move on. Again I'm using a fingers, and then I'm drawing it. So by here I'm drawing a fish. So then I'm drawing the wings and the tails and the eyes. So slowly wings has been drawn, and then I'm drawing the body with little lining the body and drawing many circles inside the body slowly. So here's a fish that lives in water. So fish cannot breathe without water, and shade them with red color. So again using an hand and drawing an U, and then again here I'm drawing a dolphin. Everyone likes dolphin, right? So dolphin jumps from the sea in different angles. So here's a dolphin that has been shaded. So let's draw some water and color it with a blue color shade, and here's a dolphin. And let's move on. Again I'm using an hand, then using a thumb, again I'm drawing a body, and then I'm drawing a leg. So by the time you would have come to know it's a tortoise. So I'm shading the eyes, and then again I'm drawing inside a boxes, that is a type of coconut shell where a tortoise gets hide his face. So let me put some shades to it with a green color. So again I'm using a hand, and it is like a L shape. So here I'm drawing the leg with the fingers. So it is like a ice bear. So it looks like a ice bear. So here an ice bear is holding a ball. So here I'm drawing an ice bear. So let me put some shades to this ice bear with a blue color. And let's move on. Again I'm drawing using a fingers. I'm drawing one more shape. So tilt the paper, then draw the wings, and then draw the face, and then draw eyes, nose, and the lips and the beak. So after the beak, draw the body, and let's put some shades to this. And here's a beautiful penguin.